Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Personal Content Station. These are these wireless storage devices, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this, not connecting to your devices, or if it doesn't seem to be syncing or pairing properly, not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's frozen, not responding, not detected, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason you're going to want to do this is if you are, maybe getting rid of this, or just, whatever reason where you want to get it back to the way it was, where, get rid of the name, get rid of the password, the network settings and all of that to be restored to their factory defaults like it's coming out of the box. We can do that pretty easily. We want to have this needs to be powered to it, turned on. And we're going to come in with a paperclip to access this reset button here. And basically, you just need to, with it powered on, we're going to press and hold this reset button with our paperclip for more than 5 seconds until we see the LED indicator light change. And that will indicate that the reset has completed. And then you can go ahead and reset up the password, the network settings, all that kind of stuff.